In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your ING card to Google Pay. To get started, open the ING mobile banking app on your phone and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using your usual secure login method and that your internet connection is stable, since the setup process needs to communicate with both ING and Google securely. If you've just updated your banking app or switched phones recently, it's also a good idea to make sure everything is fully loaded before moving on. Once you're logged in, go to the cards section of the app. This is where you can view the cards linked to your account and manage their settings. Select the card you want to add to Google Pay. If you have more than one card, take a moment to choose the correct one, especially if you use different cards for different types of spending. After opening the card details, tap the option that says Add to Google Pay. This will usually begin the linking process automatically and pass your card information securely into Google's payment system. Follow the prompts on your screen and review any details shown to make sure everything looks correct before continuing. If you don't see the Add to Google Pay option inside the ING app, you can still add the card another way. Open the Google Wallet app on your phone, tap the plus symbol or the option to add a card to your wallet, and then enter your card details manually. Be careful when typing the information so there are no mistakes, since even a small error can stop the card from being added successfully. The final step is verification. ING will send a one-time passcode so they can confirm that it's really you making the request. Enter that code when prompted. This step is important because it protects your account and helps prevent unauthorized use of your card. Make sure you enter the code promptly, since these codes often expire after a short time. Once the verification is accepted, your card should be added to Google Pay and ready to use for contactless payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. If the process doesn't work right away, double check that your phone supports Google Wallet and that your ING app is up to date. And that's it, you've successfully added your ING card to Google Pay.